If you want to get rich, then pay attention for the next 10 minutes watching this video, as this video contains the 11 tips that will make you rich. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Assess all expenditures and revenues. A comprehensive grasp of your income and expenses is essential for developing an effective budget. This approach ensures that resources are allocated efficiently and strategically. Maintaining a keen awareness of your expenditures and revenues can help identify opportunities for adjustments that lead to enhanced financial stability. Grasping your financial landscape enables strategic allocation of resources for both short-term needs and long-term goals, including the creation of a safety net. And pursuing sustainable investments. By thoroughly analyzing your income and expenses, you can develop a strategic plan to efficiently eliminate debts and improve your credit score. Maintaining precise financial records is essential for making informed decisions regarding major investments like a vehicle or real estate. Grasping your financial landscape can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, instilling a sense of assurance. Number 2. Develop a robust financial strategy. Developing a comprehensive financial plan is essential for achieving wealth. A well-defined plan in front of you drives action, moving beyond mere discussion. With strategic direction, you can make informed decisions and advance towards your objectives. Aspirations of wealth often remain unfulfilled due to a lack of commitment to creating a solid and actionable financial strategy. In developing a robust financial plan, it is essential to consider several critical strategies. Concentrate on the current moment and emphasize what is genuinely important to you. Instead of fixating on previous events, it is essential to meticulously outline your expenses within your budget and exercise strict oversight over your spending habits. Once you have assessed your remaining income, identify the discretionary spending categories for consideration. Prioritize your future and assess the financial resources required to maintain your desired lifestyle. Subscribe to our channel and press the like button to access exceptional financial insights that can lead you to wealth and also to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers goal. Number 3. Focus on eliminating your debt as a top priority. Prioritizing debt repayment is essential for alleviating financial burdens, reducing stress, and improving your credit score. To effectively address your debt, start by compiling a detailed inventory of all your current obligations. This must encompass credit cards, loans, and mortgages, along with their respective interest rates and minimum payment requirements. Prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debts, particularly credit balances, is essential while maintaining minimum payments on other obligations. Exploring options for consolidating your debt into a loan or a balance transfer credit card with a lower interest rate could prove advantageous. Moreover, identifying strategies to minimize your expenses can allocate additional resources towards debt repayment. Implement these strategies to optimize your financial management. Ensure timely payments. Aim to exceed the minimum payment whenever possible, and regularly recognize and celebrate your achievements as you strive for a debt-free future. Number 4. Focus on enhancing skills and acquiring knowledge as a top priority. Allocating resources, effort, capital, and time toward the acquisition of new skills and knowledge is essential for achieving financial success. We're not implying that mastery in every domain is a requirement. To achieve a well-rounded perspective, it is essential to cultivate a strong understanding of diverse subjects including sports, politics, finance, history, and geography. Seek to acquire extensive knowledge from all who are open to sharing their insights. This information is essential to have readily available. Number 5. Consider implementing a strategy for automating your savings. Saving is an essential component in reaching millionaire status. Without a commitment to saving, reaching millionaire status is unlikely. Initiate the habit of saving money without delay. It is essential to allocate resources strategically through the diverse long-term financial investment opportunities available in your country. Ensure that you set aside resources for an emergency fund as well. Consistently saving money each month may appear to be a routine task, yet it is essential for our financial health. There is no requirement for you to execute manual fund transfers each month. This approach appears to be a suboptimal allocation of our resources. Establishing automatic transfers from your bank accounts to various savings channels is an astute strategy for allocating a portion of your income effectively. Expert advice suggests allocating 10% of your salary to investments and 5% to savings on a monthly basis. Number 6. Implement a disciplined approach to managing your financial resources. The wealthiest individuals globally exhibit a remarkable level of prudence in their spending habits. They avoid excessive spending on opulent residences, high-end vehicles, premium writing tools, or designer clothing. They are not exhibiting stinginess. Instead, they are demonstrating prudent spending practices. It is essential to prioritize your purchases based on necessity rather than mere desire. Many Americans engage in impulsive spending, particularly while browsing platforms like Amazon or eBay. Ensure that you access online shopping platforms exclusively during promotional periods and when you have a targeted purchase in mind. Minimizing impulsive purchases will significantly lower your overall expenditures and enable you to direct more funds towards savings. Number 7. Streamline subscriptions. Excessive subscriptions can subtly undermine the financial stability of Americans, potentially resulting in significant economic challenges. Consider reevaluating certain expenses such as unused fitness center memberships, streaming services, application subscriptions, and recurring box deliveries. To address this issue, individuals must conduct a thorough evaluation of their subscriptions, eliminate any that are unused or unnecessary, and pursue better deals on essential services. Exploring alternative options that are cost-effective, such as leveraging public libraries or community centers, is a prudent strategy. Furthermore, prioritizing needs over wants is essential. Through deliberate modifications to their expenditure patterns, individuals can substantially enhance their savings, focus on critical expenses, and establish a robust groundwork for a more secure financial future. Number 8. Surround yourself with individuals who have attained significant financial success. Engaging with individuals who have attained significant financial success can expand your vision and offer you a new outlook. This will deliver valuable insights into your potential. Millionaires operate with a distinct mindset that sets them apart from the rest. It is essential to recognize that those you surround yourself with significantly shape your perspective and actions. Number 9. Make strategic financial decisions regarding investments. Strategic investments should encompass a blend of stable and growth-focused assets, such as diversified index funds, tax-efficient retirement accounts, and real estate opportunities. Investing your money is essential, as it allows your capital to appreciate over time, outpacing inflation and building wealth for long-term goals such as attaining financial independence, planning for retirement, or facilitating major acquisitions. Investing offers the opportunity to enhance your financial stability, reduce reliance on a singular income source, and establish multiple avenues for passive income generation. By making strategic investment choices, you can lay the foundation for a stable financial future and turn your aspirations into achievements. Number 10. Identify and create avenues for generating passive income. As an American, you have the opportunity to establish passive income streams that can lead to financial freedom, security, and flexibility. This approach involves allocating resources to assets that generate reliable returns while minimizing the need for your active participation. Diversifying income streams reduces reliance on a single job or source of revenue, facilitates gradual wealth accumulation, and allows for increased leisure time to engage in personal interests. There are numerous avenues for generating passive income, including dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, peer-to-peer lending, digital products, rental properties, and assets that produce royalties, among others. Creating passive income streams allows you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 schedule, achieve financial independence, and design your life on your own terms. Number 11. Allow your capital to generate returns, rather than expending effort solely for financial gain. At the outset of your journey towards financial success, your primary focus will be on generating income. It is unavoidable. It is crucial to recognize that possessing capital is fundamental to expanding your wealth. Once you start generating income, it's crucial to make certain that your finances are actively contributing to your growth. To accomplish this, it is essential to diversify your financial resources by exploring a range of savings options beyond conventional bank accounts and strategically investing in financial instruments like bonds and stocks. consider exploring alternative investment avenues, including income generation through digital currencies and the development of new revenue streams. If you loved watching this video, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to help us hit our goal of first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching.